Alright, so doing a 6-month or so update video review on this strictly toolboxes.com Tool Vault toolbox, 56 inch. Yeah, been using it for work for a little over 6 months now, and still happy with it. Nothing's fallen off of it yet or has broken, so that's great. Yeah, the drawers still come out pretty nice. Got it pretty filled up now. You can see the top drawer. I've got sockets and some bigger stuff, mostly stuff that I'm using every day. I need for easy access. My only real complaint with this box is this gap here. This top drawer doesn't come out all the way. It seems like it could come out about 2 more inches. Yeah, I don't know, for whatever reason, just the way it's designed, these don't pull out any further, unfortunately. And that kind of drives me crazy. Because I have a little bit more room in this thing, but again, I'm willing to live with it for the price I paid. Got a wrench drawer here. The drawer action is pretty nice too. Pulls open pretty easy. Shuts pretty nice. Screwdriver drawer. Again, you can doesn't take much force to open or close them. Drawers work pretty nice. So yeah. Ratchets, extensions. Hammer drawer. I've got all my air tools and impacts and stuff in here. The only thing, this little trim piece keeps like falling off. I don't know, I'll probably just like glue that thing back in there. But overall, the drawer is pretty nice. It closed pretty good. So again, for $1,000 shipped, pretty happy with it. Yeah, no complaints yet, really. I'm gonna get a butcher block for the top pretty soon. Probably custom make one. But yeah, I've been thinking about getting the locker for this thing, but I don't know, I'm thinking about getting like a big roll cart instead. Be about the same money as a locker, and I just think it would be a bit more useful. And it's weird too, the lockers that they sell for these things come with black trim, and there is no option for silver trim. With these boxes, they only come in silver trim. I called Strictly Toolboxes to see if I could get the locker with silver trim, as it wouldn't make sense to have black trim with a silver trim box, and it's not even an option. So yeah, kind of weird that they would do that. Doesn't make any sense at all. But anyway, still happy with this box, and would definitely recommend it.